In this video, we are going to explore the top 3 best budget front load washing machines that you can consider to buy. These models not only deliver exceptional cleaning performance but also excel in energy and water efficiency, making them perfect for eco-conscious households. So let's explore the best options that combines technology, efficiency and value for money. For all the models, I have provided a link in the description and also tagged in this video. Voltas Beko 6.5 kg fully automatic front load washing machine comes with a capacity of 6.5 kg and energy rating of 5-star. The special features that you will get in this washing machine are digital display and multi-wash programs. It is the washing machine that is most recommended for budget-conscious consumers seeking a basic yet efficient front-load washing machine. The important reasons why you should consider this washing machine is its most affordable option among the front-loading washing machines that exist in the market, decent capacity which is suitable for small families, energy efficient operation, and it is having a user-friendly interface. The only disappointment here is it lacks advanced features like steam wash, and build quality is also not so good, but for the price it offers value. Godrej 6 kg Eco Wash with a steam wash fully automatic front load washing machine comes with a capacity of 6 kg and 5-star energy rating. It has special features like steam wash, 1000 rpm spin speed, 16 wash programs. This model is recommended for individuals or small families looking for advanced cleaning features at a budget-friendly price. The important reasons for which you should consider this washing machine is a steam wash for deeper cleaning and stain removal, high spin speed for faster drying, wide variety of wash programs, and user-friendly digital display. The disappointments here are the smaller capacity may not suitable for larger families and service network may be limited in some regions. IFB 6.5 kg 5-star fully automatic front load washing machine, overall the best budget front load washing machine, comes with a capacity of 6.5 kg and energy rating of 5-star. It has got great special features like 8 wash programs, high-low voltage protection and laundry add option. This is suitable for small families or couples seeking a reliable and energy-efficient washing machine with essential features. Consider this particular washing machine for its energy efficient with a 5-star rating, multiple wash programs for various fabric types, voltage protection ensures durability, laundry add option allows adding clothes mid-cycle. So these are the 3 amazing budget options for front load washing machines that you can consider to buy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.